Guys, today's recipe is a very delicious one. Nigerian meat pie. You all know what Nigerian meat pie is? Yes. This video was highly requested by some of my friends who have always wanted me to make meat pie for them. So the video is hot now. So watch it. It's highly requested and is for everyone around the world. This meat pie, let me tell you the truth, guys, is very delicious, more than the one that you even buy in some shops, because this meat pie inside contains a lot. When I mean a lot, is rich, guys. This meat pie is so delicious, yummy-licious, like I said before, and it contains a lot. When you go outside to buy meat pie, you will even taste it, it will not be delicious. It won't even have anything inside. There will not be meat, there will not be egg, nothing. But this one, guys, you can make it yourself at home. It's a do-it-yourself recipe. So I make it very simple, step by step on how to make it. You will love it, guys. Trust me, you are going to love it. So my vegetable oil is on the fire. I added the onion. Now I'll be adding the minced meat. So guys, you want to pay attention because this Nigerian meat pie is so yummy. What I like to do is, the Irish potato is here. I like to add a little water to make it a little bit soft, not too soft, so it can be yummy when eating it. So you want at this point to add a little pepper, my grounded pepper. Then one Maggi cube. If it's not enough, I can add later. Little salt. Curry will go in. Then a little bit of thyme, just little. Then stir all together. Your carrots, and I will be adding it to the sauce so it can thicken it and everything will blend well. So it's just flour and water, mix it together. Add it inside, then stir together. As you can see, it's starting to thicken a bit. Stir everything together. So I stir everything together, and everything's well cooked now. I will just cover for 1 minute and then I bring it down. Then we'll move over to the dough. So everything can be smooth. As you can see, my sugar had seed. I'll just throw the rest inside. Add my butter. mixing again. Little milk, little water. Mix everything together. And the dough is ready now. See the way it's looking? So smooth, soft. Oh guys, look at this. You will need a round plate. I'm using this. The most lovely thing about this recipe is that you don't even need to go and buy a meat pie cutter. You can use your plate at home to me. So guys, after that, so you want to use one egg. Open. Then you make like this, stretch it a little bit, and then cover. So I want you to see this very well. Then you cover. You use your hand to push it a bit. Let me take it forward so you guys can see it very well. Use your hand to push a bit shape. So easy guys. Push it. After pushing, you take your fork. So I'll be using this and then push again. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Hola guys! Wow, so beautiful! This is your meat pie. You want to cover the edges. Wow guys! So you keep one here like this. So beautiful.